Do you ever feel like your battery is perpetually stuck at 10%? You wake up tired, you hit that dreaded afternoon slump at 2 p.m., and by the time you get home, you're too exhausted to do the things you actually love. If that sounds like you aren't alone. But what if I told you that you don't need another cup of coffee? What if you could use science to trick your biology into producing more energy naturally? Welcome back to Staying Healthy Tips. Today, we are diving into the world of biohacking. Now, don't let the scary name fool you. We aren't talking about implanting chips in your brain. We are talking about simple, actionable tweaks, or hacks, to your environment and routine that can literally double your energy levels in less than a week. Let's get into it. First off, what actually is biohacking? In plain English, biohacking is just do-it-yourself biology. It's the art and science of changing the environment around you and inside you so you have full control over your own biology. Think of your body like a high-performance sports car. Most of us are putting low-grade fuel in it and never changing the oil, and then wondering why it's breaking down. Today, we're going to be the mechanics. I'm giving you 5 beginner-level hacks that are free, easy, and scientifically proven to boost your energy. Hack number 1 is the most powerful tool in the kit, and it's completely free: the morning light protocol. Your energy is dictated by your circadian rhythm, your internal body clock. When you wake up and immediately look at your phone in a dark room, your brain is confused. It doesn't know it's time to start the engine. Here's the hack. Within the first 30 to 60 minutes of waking up, you need to get natural sunlight into your eyes. Not through a window and not through sunglasses. You need to step outside. Why? Because sunlight triggers a healthy spike in cortisol and sets a timer for your sleep hormone, melatonin, to release 16 hours later. Action step. Tomorrow morning, grab your coffee and go stand outside for 5 to 10 minutes. Even on a cloudy day, the light outside is exponentially brighter than your indoor lights. Do this for 3 days and watch how much easier it is to wake up. Hack number 2, hydration with a twist. We all know we need to drink water, but did you know that drinking plain water first thing in the morning can sometimes flush out the minerals your body needs for energy? Your neurons, the things firing in your brain right now, need electricity to work. Water conducts electricity better when it has minerals in it. We call these electrolytes. Here is the biohack. Start your day with a morning cocktail. Take 16 ounces of room temperature water, add a squeeze of lemon, and this is the secret, add a pinch of high-quality sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. That salt helps your adrenal glands function and helps your body actually absorb the water rather than just peeing it out. It's like an IV drip for your energy levels. Okay, hack number 3. I know you're going to hate me for this one, but it is the fastest way to wake up your brain. It's called cold thermogenesis. But don't worry, you don't need a fancy $5,000 ice bath, you just need your shower. Exposure to cold releases norepinephrine and dopamine in the brain. This increases focus, alertness, and mood for hours after you dry off. The action step: take your normal warm shower, wash your hair, do your thing, but for the last 30 to 60 seconds, turn that handle all the way to cold. It will shock you. You will want to jump out, but try to control your breathing. If you can survive that 30-second blast, you will step out of that shower feeling like you just drank 3 espressos, but without the jitters. Start with 10 seconds and build up. Hack number 4 is about how you use your energy. We've all heard of circadian rhythms, but have you heard of ultradian rhythms? Your brain can only focus intensely for about 90 minutes before it needs a reset. If you try to push through that 90-minute mark, you hit a wall, your stress hormones go up, and your energy crashes. The hack is the 90-20 rule. Work focused for 90 minutes, then take a mandatory 20-minute break. And no, scrolling TikTok is not a break. Your brain needs a visual reset. Look at the horizon, walk around the block, or do some breathing exercises. Respecting these rhythms prevents that 3 p.m. burnout. You aren't lazy, you're just fighting your biology. Stop fighting it. Last but not least, hack number 5. Stop the glucose roller coaster. If you eat a bagel, cereal, or sugary toast for breakfast, you are spiking your blood sugar. What goes up must come down. That crash you feel at 10:30 a.m., that's low blood sugar. The biohack? Savory over sweet. Switch your breakfast to high protein and healthy fats. Think eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt. This provides a slow, steady burn of energy rather than a quick explosion and a crash. So, let's recap. Morning sunlight, salt in your water, end your shower cold, work in 90-minute bursts, eat a savory breakfast. You don't have to do all of these at once. Pick one to try tomorrow morning. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow so we can keep bringing you these staying healthy tips. And I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks scares you the most? The cold shower or giving up the morning bagel? Let me know in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.